One simple way to think about the relay is to think about it as a switch. What the switch does is the switch is used to power something on and off. When you push a switch button, something is turned on or turned off. So the relay does exactly that same job. So let's say you want to power your horn. When you press your horn switch, it powers the relay and the relay turns on and your horn blows. Pump. And when you release your horn switch, it de-energizes this relay and your horn switch go back to its former position. The function of this coil here is to create a magnetic fuse. The magnetic field is what drags this plunger to come close here to power your horn. When you press your horn switch, it sends power to pin 85 and 86. And on pin 85 and 86 is where this coil here is connected. So when you press your horn switch, it energizes this coil here and it creates a magnetic field that pulls this plunger here to close to pin 87. Pin 87 is where your load is. And this plunger here is carrying a high voltage. That high voltage is the one coming from the battery, which is pin 30. So that existing high voltage is what goes to your load, which is pin 30. That high voltage is what goes to power your load once it's pulled to pin 87 where your load is. I hope this was simple enough. To understand this more, look at the diagram of the horn switch and pay attention to this video. You'll be clear.